Hello, my name is Nicolas. Today I will talk about dilemma in the field of medical biotics. I choose this field because I deal directly with life, health, and human dignity. Why I choose this? I am interested in medical biotics because health is a human right and decision, and in this field affect not only patient but also their families and society. One example is the debate about euthanasia. In many countries, some patients with terminal illness ask for the right to die with dignity. However, the dilemma is clear. Should always preserve life, or should we always people to avoid unnecessary suffering? Um, One more, in my opinion, the solution is this: will be a clear law that allows euthanasia only in very specific case. For example, the patient consent must be completely voluntary, and medical and psychosocial evaluation should confirm the situation. This way, we respect human dignity and also protect health professionals. And in conclusion, for me, medical beauty made reflect on life and dignity with clear rules and respect for human rights. We can face dilemma like euthanasia in a fair and human way. And thank you very much.